Okay, today I will show you how to use concatenate. Concatenate is very useful. It's a function in Excel, and let's look at it how it works. So what concatenate is, first of all, it basically just joins different values together. So joins takes different values from different columns and put them together in one column. Let me show you how. So let's say you have um, name column, um, name, actually let's say make it first name, uh, last name. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to just give it some values. Let's say John Smith. Okay, so we want to concatenate here. I'll just give it a name, concat. Let's just call it concat for now, just a column name. It doesn't matter what you call it. So I'm going to give it a formula. As always, we begin with equal sign, concat. This is, you can see, is concatenate. I'll just press tab to complete. All you have to do now is select the values that you want to join. So let's say I select first name, and I want obviously next last name with it. So I press comma because it's in a different field, different column, sorry. So I'll press comma and now I select last name, and that is it. If I hit enter, let's see what happens. There you go, John Smith. So it has taken values from two different columns and put them in one single column. Obviously, there's no spaces in between. We can look at it separately. And there's much more to do with this function. It is, and we will look at it. I hope you understood it. You can actually do the same thing with values as well. So let's say you have one here, two here, and you can do the same thing. So you type the formula, you select first value, comma, second value, enter. There you go, 1 2. Again, the values are 1 2. This is the reason I showed you with the string, that we will need to look at it, how to add spaces and how to do other things, because obviously the original value is 1 and 2, not 1 2, which is 12. So 1 and 2 don't make 12. It could be 3, it could be just separate 1, separate 2. So it's not 12. So we will need to know how to format this data with when we are concatenating anything. I hope it makes sense to you, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.